The bathroom finishes needs to be selected or kept in mind with the master bedroom because, well, if you're talking about a master bathroom, because this is a master suite and that is how more often than not is perceived. So the master suite does not have to follow any rules in the house, meaning that that can be just its own thing. Now, I'm not going to tell you that the master suite will be orange and then the remaining of the house will be purple. That's not what I'm saying. But you do have the possibility to create something very nice and very different than the remaining of the home by categorizing that space into a master suite. Make sure that it's all done elegantly and that you're not going to get tired of it very quick. Again, don't follow trends, follow your heart, listen to your professional, but ultimately you can do more than what has been done in the past with master suite. So if a color or an idea has been created that needs to be followed for the master suite, those will give you your perimeters for from to of what you could or should do into your bathroom. The bathroom has to be obviously functional, but it has to be inspiring because it is always super nice to open your eyes. And what do you see the first? You see potentially your lake outside or a beautiful green grass, and the next thing you see is your bathroom. So make sure that whatever you choose, it is inspiring to you and it will make you get up in the morning even if it's still dark outside. Humidity in the bathrooms, ultimately it all comes to a fan. And the better quality of the fan that you have and the better motor capacity that you have, that's what you really need. There is no such a thing as the paint will camouflage or is going to do that. No, because if there is the moisture, you have to take it out. Because at that point, you will not be able to fix the paint of the walls, or you will not be able to fix or stop the mold that is growing in the shower or outside of the shower. So, fans. Today, there is actually good news, beautiful fans that can be hidden, and we don't have to go with the excuse of, oh, that fan is so ugly, I don't want to see it, so I didn't put it in or I don't want it. With the motors being hidden behind walls, you are able to minimalize the look, so that absolutely should not bother you. And then you know that you don't have to worry about it. It's taken care of, you don't have to see it, and your bathroom will serve you even longer.